So in this problem, we need to find out the circumcenter and the circumradius of a circle. So let us begin. So let us suppose that we have a triangle with vertices A, B and C that is inscribed within a circle with a center at O. Now the coordinates of point A, let it be given by 8, 6. We have coordinates of point B, so let that be given by 8, -2. And then we have C with coordinate 2, -2. Our goal will be to find out the coordinate of the circumcenter, that means coordinate of point O, and also we need to find out the radius of this particular circle, or the circumradius. Fine. So all we have to do is join point AO and point A. So that's going to be the radius of the circle. Similarly, we can join point O and point B, and point O and point C. And we will suppose that the coordinate of point O, let it be given by x, y. So let that be the coordinate of the center. Now if O is the circumcenter of the circle, then immediately we can say that OA must be equals to OB, and that must be equals to OC. So let this be equation number 1. So now what we'll do, we'll try to find out the value of OA, OB and OC by using the distance formula. So let's specify the distance formula as well. So if we have 2 points A and B, and the coordinates of both point A and point B are provided to us, then the distance between point A and B, which can be obtained by joining them by using a straight line, and the length can be obtained by using the distance formula, which is simply take the square root underneath the square root. First what we'll do, we'll take the square of the difference of the x coordinate and then add it to the square of the difference of the y coordinate. So using this idea, we'll try to find out the value of OB, OA and OC. So let's begin by finding out the length OA. So this will be equals to, so all we have to do is take the square root underneath the square root. Since we are doing OA, so we can do either 8 minus x or x minus 8. That because we need the difference of the x coordinate. So let's do x minus 8 for simplicity. So we have x minus 8 whole squared added to y minus 6. So that's going to be the difference of the y coordinate. Fine. So this is going to be the length OA. We're going to label this as number 2. Then we have OB. So OB is then going to be equals to, we'll take the square root underneath the square root. So we need difference of the x coordinate. So we have x minus 8 whole square added to the difference of the y coordinate. So we need y minus of -2. So that's going to be y plus 2 squared. Let this be equation number 3. And then we have OC. OC is going to be equals to, so we have square root. So that's going to be difference of the x coordinate will be simply x minus 2 whole squared added to y minus of -2. So that's simply positive 2. So we have y plus 2 whole squared, and let this be equation number 4. Now what we'll do, we'll equate 2 equations at a time. So that means we'll equate 2 and 3 because OA equals OB equals to OC. Right. So we'll start by equating 2 and 3. So from equation number 2 and equation number 3, so we have square root of x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. So this will be equals to square root of, we have x minus 8 whole squared plus y plus 2 whole squared. So let's square both sides. We get x minus 8 whole squared plus y minus 6 whole squared. That's equals to x minus 8 whole squared plus y plus 2 whole squared. So we can cancel out x minus 8 whole squared from both sides. Now we have x minus 6 whole squared equals to y plus 2 whole squared. So what we'll do, we'll take the square root on both sides. So we get y minus 6 equals to plus or minus y plus 2. So this will be equals to, so we get two conditions. Y minus 6 will be positive of y plus 2. Or we have y minus 6 equals to negative of y plus 2. However, this first equation is not going to be true because the y will get cancelled out and it's not going to be a valid equation. So we are left with only one equation. That's going to help us find the value of y. So we have y minus 6 equals to negative y minus 2. So we get y. So we're going to transpose this negative y to the left hand side and combine with y to get 2y. This negative 6 transposed to the right hand side and combined with negative 2 to get positive 4. So that means y comes out to be 2. Now we're going to take equation. So from equation 3 and equation 4, what we have is OB equals to OC. C. What we'll do, we'll square both sides, and this is going to take care of the square root sign. So we have now x minus 8 whole squared added to y plus 2 whole squared. So that's the value of OB squared. This will be equals to OC squared, which is simply x minus 2 whole squared added to y plus 2 whole squared. Fine. So we can cancel out y plus 2 whole squared from both the sides, and we are left with x minus 8 whole squared equals to x minus 2 whole squared. Taking the square root gives us x minus 8 equals to plus or minus x minus 2. That means we have x minus 8 equals to x minus 2, or we have x minus 8 equals to negative of x minus 2. So this is not going to be a valid equation. So we now have x minus 8 equals to negative x plus 2. We have x plus x equals to 8 plus 2. So we get 2x equals to 10, which implies x value equals to 5. So we have now obtained the value of x equals to 5 and y equals to 2. So that's going to be the center of the circle. So our center we have obtained, that's 5, 2. So that means option D must be correct. So that's 5, 2. But also let's confirm that the radius is also 5 units. All we have to do is replace the value of x with 5 and the value of y with 2. So we'll use equation number 2. That's OA, which is the radius. So we have 5 minus 8 whole squared. We can use any of the equation 2, 3, 4. All of them are going to give us the same result. And y value, so that's 2. We have 2 minus 6 whole squared. So that's what be equals to. So 5 minus 8, that's negative 3. We have negative 3 squared added to 2 minus 6. So that's negative 4 squared. So 3 squared, that's 9. 4 squared is 16. So 16 plus 9, that's 25. So square root of 25 is simply 5. So I've obtained the radius of the circle is also going to be 5, which means that the circumference radius is indeed 5 units. So option D is the correct answer.